Hey everybody, today I'm gonna be doing this song called One in Love. So I hope you enjoy this song. Let's go on. Have you seen the sunset fade beneath the rain clouds? Have you ever chased your dreams away? Did you ever feel like love is just an highway, a never-ending road of lonely days? And there are times we cry and reach out to the sky for the strength we need to hold our head up high. All we have to do now is love one another. Sisters and brothers can all live as one. All we have to do now is show one another we all need each other to live as one in love. Have you seen the sunrise, promising you daylight, when all you need is shelter from the storm? Did you ever feel like love was just an island? You can't survive on love all on your own. And there are times when I need to reach inside for the strength I need to hold a head up high. All we have to do now is love one another. Sisters and brothers can all live as one. All we have to do now is show one another we all need each other to live as one in love. If you push aside the blame for the tears and the pain, you know love can reign and the world will smile again. If you push aside the blame for the tears and the pain, you know love can reign and the world will smile again. All we have to do now is love one another. Sisters and brothers can all live as one. And all we have to do now is show one another we all need each other to live as one in love. Living as one in love.